Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change out your RAM. First, let's prepare for the upgrade. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. Always back up any important data before beginning. Make sure your computer is completely powered down and all cables are unplugged. Before touching any internal components, discharge static electricity by touching a grounded metal object. This prevents damage to sensitive parts. Now let's open up your computer. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws holding the side panel in place, then carefully slide it off. Inside, locate the RAM slots on your motherboard. They are usually long, narrow slots near the central processing unit. To remove the old RAM, gently push down the small retention clips on both ends of the memory stick. The module should then pop up slightly, allowing you to carefully pull it straight out. With the old RAM removed, it's time to install your new modules. First, carefully align the notch on the new RAM stick with the corresponding key in the RAM slot. This ensures correct orientation. Then, firmly press the RAM module straight down into the slot using even pressure on both ends. You should hear or feel the retention clip snap securely into place. Make sure both clips are fully engaged to ensure the RAM is properly seated. You're almost done. Carefully slide the side panel back onto your computer case and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect all power cables, your monitor, keyboard, mouse, and any other peripheral devices. Now, power on your computer. Once it boots up, navigate to your system information settings. You should see the new, increased amount of installed RAM recognized by your operating system, confirming a successful upgrade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.